Now that we know that there are 5 products in our list which are more than 90 days lying in our stock, we want to find out the total quantity of this product. And for that, we are going to use a function called SUMIF. And SUMIF is similar to COUNTIF, but it has one more criteria or one more parameter in the formula. So SUMIF formula has a range parameter, which is the range we need to evaluate. Second is the criteria itself, what we need to evaluate. And the third is another range in which we have to find the sum. Now, the third range is optional. If you do not give this range, then the SUMIF function will total up the values in the range which satisfies the criteria in the first range itself. So let's start writing this formula here. Equal to SUMIF open bracket. So the first range is the range in which we want to evaluate our criteria, and that is inventory days, and that is E8 to E57. And then we write comma, criteria is in quotation marks greater than 90, close quotation mark, comma, and now we will give the range from where it has to total up the quantity, and that is this particular range, that is column F, which would be F8 colon F57, and we close the bracket. So in SUMIF, there is a third parameter, which is the sum range parameter. I'm going to hit enter now, and it says it's 50. Now, just to make it easy for us to verify, I have put quantity as 10 in each of these products which are greater than 90 days. So the total quantity of 50 is correct. Now let's find out the value of this particular stock which is lying for more than 90 days in the company. And for that, we are going to use SUMIF function. And in this particular case, instead of typing the formula manually, we will use insert function button here. So I'm going to click here and select SUMIF and click OK and specify the range. The specific range is from column E, which is, we know, E8 to E57, and then the criteria. Now, a point to be noted here is whenever you are writing criteria inside a function window like this, you don't have to type the quotation mark. The quotation marks needs to be typed only when you are typing the formula manually. So here I'm going to simply write greater than 90, and the sum range is the range which you want to sum up, and that is the cost range, which is column H. So I'm going to specify here H8 to H57. Okay. If you notice, Excel has by itself put quotation marks inside it. So I'm going to click OK here, and that value is 90,100. I'm going to select the currency formatting here and remove the decimal points. So this is how we evaluate the inventory format using COUNTIF and SUMIF function. We'll learn more about these functions and try some more evaluation in the next sessions.